Hello everybody, welcome to this next video on linear algebra. In the last video we have seen that given a vector space V, and if you have a basis B of the vector space, this is the given vector space and this is the basis, then we have seen that if the basis is V1, V2, Vn, then for each V in capital V, the representation alpha 1 V1 plus alpha 2 V2 plus so on alpha n Vn of V is unique. This is what we have seen in the last video, right? Now using this thing we can define, now it means that this alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha n are unique once you fix your B, right? So it means that alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha n for the vector V are unique once you fixed the basis B. Now whenever we have a unique thing, we keep a name for that. So this alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha n is called coordinate vector of V. It means that with respect to B, and we denote it as like this, right? So it means that given a vector space V, a basis B, right, this is your vector space, then every vector inside that vector space has a representation, and that with respect to B, and we denote that representation with this. This is called coordinate vector, right? Now if you want to connect it with, this is same as, for example, if you are in R2 plane, every point has a name. For example, this point has a name. If you call it as 1 2 1 2 3, then this point has a name 1 comma 3. You know how to name it. Similarly, this is actually a name. This is kind of name of vector V in the basis V, in the basis B, right? Is that thing clear? So coordinate vector is defined as the quantity, the scalars alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha n for a vector V such that alpha 1 V1 plus alpha 2 V2 plus so on alpha n Vn is equal to V, where V1, V2, Vn is a basis of vector space V, right? And this is for every vector you will get a coordinate vector. For every vector you will get a coordinate vector. So coordinate vector is actually name of your vector, right? And it will change as you change the basis. Right. For example, I'll give you an example. Suppose this is your plane, R2 plane. This is your origin, right? Here you have 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. So you have a point here 3 comma 4, right? Now suppose you change your coordinate axis. So you have new coordinate axis having origin at 1 comma 1 with respect to old. So this pink is your new coordinate axis where the origin is at 1 comma 1. So with respect to the new coordinate axis, the name of the same point will be, you see, 2 comma 3, because now you have 1 2 1 2 3. So same point is having a name 3 comma 4 with respect to old coordinate axis, and this same point has name 2 comma 3 with respect to new coordinate axis, right? So it means that these coordinate axes, they are actually bases. So these are bases. So as you change the bases, the name will change. The name of the vector that we call it as coordinate vector will change. Right? So let us look at an example. So example is, you are given, find the coordinate vector of 2, 3, 4, -1, okay, in V4 with respect to standard basis and then with respect to another basis which is given as 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, and 1, 0, 0, 0. Right? Fine. So you are given a vector and you are asked to find its coordinate vector with respect to standard basis and another basis. So you know what is a standard basis. So we know standard basis for V4 is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Right? So if you want your vector 2, 3, 4, -1, let us call it E1, let us call it is E2, E3, E4. Then clearly this is 2 into E1 plus 3 into E2 plus 4 into E3 plus -1 into E4. So this is your coordinate vector 2, 3, 4, -1. So coordinate vector of 2, 3, 4, -1 with respect to standard basis is 2, 3, 4, -1. So with respect to standard basis, you will get the same element again always, right? Because standard basis, you see, you have 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. So whenever you are in R3, R4, R5, standard basis, with respect to standard basis, your coordinate vector of V will be V itself. Now let us look for the second basis. So we want for the basis, for the coordinate vector with respect to the another basis, we want how we can write 2, 3, 4, -1 as alpha 1 into the first element, that is 1, 1, 0, 0, plus alpha 2, or you can just call it as alpha, beta and gamma, plus beta into the second element, that is 0, 1, 1, 0, plus gamma into the third element, that is 0, 0, 1, 1, plus delta into the last element, that is 1, 0, 0, 0. So we are looking for alpha, beta, gamma and delta. That will be our coordinate vector, right? So you can just manipulate the things on the right hand side. You see, alpha will be multiplied everywhere. Similarly, beta will be multiplied inside. Similarly, gamma will be multiplied inside, and here delta will be multiplied inside. So you have alpha, from here you have 0 beta, 0 gamma, 1 delta. Then you have alpha, here you have beta, then here you have 0 gamma, and here you have 0 delta. And the third element is beta plus gamma, and the last element is gamma. So you want it equal to 2, 3, 4, -1. Just compare. Gamma is equal to -1. And then you have beta plus gamma is equal to 4. So you have beta plus gamma equal to 4, which implies beta minus 1 is equal to 4, which implies beta equal to 5. Then you have alpha plus beta equal to 3. So you have alpha plus beta equal to 3, which implies alpha plus beta is 5 is equal to 3, which implies alpha is equal to 3 minus 5. This is minus 2. Right. Then you have alpha plus delta equal to 2. So you get minus 2 plus delta equal to 2, which implies delta equal to 4. right? So you get alpha is equal to -2, beta equal to 5, gamma equal to -1, delta equal to 4. Therefore, coordinate vector of 2, 3, 4, -1 with respect to the new basis b, which is 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 is alpha is -2, beta is 5, gamma is -1, delta is 4. So you see, same vector has these two names, this name and this name. This is with respect to the standard basis, this name is with respect to the standard basis, and this name is with respect to this basis b. So this is called the coordinate vector. I hope you understand the concept of coordinate vector. So this is just a name and it will change when you change your basis. Thank you.